Hey guys, welcome to 678 Cars. Today we have a 2010 Honda Jazz that we're going to replace the front fog light on. Please remember to subscribe, like. Appreciate all the support. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so the reason for replacing this one is that the glass is cracked on the fog light. So it's the driver's side that I'm replacing today. As you can see there, I think you can just see that it's cracked. So I've got some new fog lights that I'll replace that with. You can see there's a screw there, only one there with those three plastic holes for that cover, and then there's two on that side. So three screws to take off that plastic cover. Alright guys, that looks like it's just the cover that comes off, those three screws. Put that aside. Keep all the screws together. And this looks like there's four screws holding the fog light mounting in place. So 1, 2, just see that 4. Okay, let me get to this. There's 4 screws there that take it out of the bracket there. Can you see that? So just got to unplug here and we can swap it over. So it's fairly straightforward. Hopefully, still got to put it back. Push down clip there that you push down and then pull away. Yeah, plenty of room to try and unplug it. Okay, here we go. So it's time to put it back in. Okay. And the best thing to do now is to test it, I guess. So let's do that first. Looks like it's on. Right. The other one works as well, so there it is with that clip, and it's time to test. So lights work, fog light works. There it is, both work. Okay. Alright guys, the new one or replacement one is in with the 4 screws tightened. I lost a screw as always happens. Somewhere in there, I had a look diving around for 10 minutes, couldn't find it, so I moved on. Just use another bolt from there. Hopefully it falls out. I've done all sorts of tricks to try and get it out, but can't see it to find it. Anyway, moving on. Let's just test it one more time. And that's how you replace the fog light on a 2010 Honda Jazz. Good night, people.